Hello guys, this is Simon. I just got this Huawei AM60 Bluetooth headphone for about 260 RMB, which is roughly 38 US dollar. Let's take a look together, shall we? Okay, after we're getting rid of the plastic bag, here's the box packaged by Huawei. Let me take a look at the inside. How do we open that box? Oh, there you go. Didn't expect that. Here's the headphone itself. And let's set it aside first. You also get a pouch for holding the headphone, I assume. And here's the charging cable. Let's see what else. Here's the instruction manual, which nobody will ever read it. And last but not least, you get different size of the plug for different size of the ear. Now let's take a look at the headphone itself. The build quality of the headphone is better than I expected. There's a metal finish on top of the headphone. You can see there's magnets on each side of the headphone, so you can clip it when you don't use it. Here's the micro USB charging port. I really wish they can use the Type-C port instead. I tested the headphone for a couple of days and it can roughly last 6 hours for one charge. The sound quality is good for its price. It certainly can't beat those hundreds of dollars headphones out there, but at least I feel it is better than my iPhone's headphones. For less than 40 bucks, I guess it is a very decent product. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.